What's up YouTube? This is Zafar from my YouTube channel. Hope everyone having a great day and night. I just came from the gym and my mom told me that our furnace is not working. So it basically powers on, the flame comes on for at least 5 seconds and shuts off itself, and then comes back on and then shuts off itself after 5 seconds. So I did a couple of researches and I found out it could be a filter issue, it could be a ventilation issue upstairs on the roof, or it could even be a flame sensor issues. So first thing what I did is I checked the air filters. So the air filter wasn't that dirty, so I still went ahead and replaced the air filters, and it did the same thing. So what I'm gonna do now, open up the inside and try to clean that flame sensor, see if it's gonna resolve the issue before I call the professionals. But if it doesn't, I guess I have to call the professionals after that. But let's try it, see if it's gonna work. Oh yeah, also make sure you shut off the furnace first, so it doesn't shock the motherboards or anything like that. So this right there, the white cover it has, that's the flame sensor. I need to find a way to take that flame sensor out. Right there, see? Much better, there you go. Yep. And that's the flame sensor, there you go. I need to find a way to take that out and then clean that. Oh, that's what is it doing? That could be the issue. See this hose? It's almost coming out. That hose, as you can see. Oh, if that is the issue, man, that would be easy to fix. I'm just gonna plug it back. Yeah. As you can see, this hose is got wide. So what we're gonna do is a recording. Yeah. We're gonna cut this, and then I'm gonna put it back. I'm not gonna test it. I'm still gonna take that the flame sensor out, because that sensor needs to be cleaned every year. So, which is I haven't done that. Like that. And try to reinstall it back. There's the sensor. I don't know if it's recording. Yeah. See how dirty it is? So take a dollar bill, try to gently clean it. this, you know, because before it was just like shutting off immediately and then coming back on. So see guys, before call professionals, sometimes you gotta try it yourself. If you thought it was helpful, please subscribe, like, and share. And you guys have a nice day. Peace out.